smoky in this piece. Okay, so I've already washed my hair with the Miche Moisturizing and Cleansing Sulfate-Free Shampoo. And then I did a deep condition with the Moisturizing Deep Conditioner by Miche. After I rinsed it out, I ended up having to do some other stuff. So now my hair is like 90% dry. It's a little damp up in here. So yeah, I kind of also wanted to give y'all like a real visual representation of what my hair looks like with no product, dry. It's like 4C, okay? It's type 4C hair. So as y'all do know, if y'all been following me for a while, you know that I had postpartum shedding mainly up in this area, but you know, a little bit, basically my edges like just ran from me. So yeah, we have that going on. I'm gonna spray my hair with the Maui Moisture Hibiscus Water. So it's the lightweight hydration hibiscus water. It's a quenching detangler and it's for all hair types. Basically, like the directions on it say to shake well, spray evenly onto damp hair, then blow dry to infuse it into the hair shafts. And then it says finish by misting all over for optimal hydration, shine, and to control your frizz. So I figured this would be like the perfect heat protectant because the directions literally tell you to blow dry your hair after you spray it to get it in the shafts. So I'm like, okay, well, I'm gonna use it as my heat protectant today. Okay, so I'm gonna start by sectioning off my hair because I don't care what style I'm doing. It just works so much easier for me when I section my hair off. So next I'm gonna just take this paddle brush and just kind of detangle my hair a little bit before I get into blow drying it. I'm gonna go ahead and add the comb attachment to my blow dryer. And it is the Tourmaline Ceramic Tourmaline Ceramic 1875 Pro. I'm gonna put it on the hot setting and put it all the way up and blow dry. Okay, you guys, so this is what my hair looks like completely blow dry. So this is what my hair looks like completely blow dried and ready to straighten. I took this roll right here and now I'm gonna take my Beyond the Zone BTZ, turn up the heat, flat iron protection, and I'm just going to spray that lightly on the back section. It's kind of like an oil, but yeah, I'm just spray it lightly. Okay. Like that. And then I'm going to take my flat iron. It's already smoky in this piece. So I'm gonna do the chase method. So I got my comb and I'm just going to make sure I get the roots. And I'm just gonna do the chase method all the way down. And that's what it's looking like. Woo! My arm's bending a little crazy. Make sure you burn your scalp every single time. So you guys, this is the final results of my straightening of my hair. Of course, I'm about to trim my ends because they need some TLC around for y'all. This is it from the side. So how I'm gonna trim my ends, I'm gonna just kind of part my hair down the middle. I mean, it don't gotta be perfectly down the middle. I'm gonna just bring hair on both sides. And what I do, I take big sections. So you see how that's a little choppy. And I'm gonna cut that. So I'm gonna take some shears right there. So right there. And then just clip them. Ooh, my ring all twisted there. Here are my ends now that they've been cut. So now I'm gonna do the final step. This is why I only do one pass in the beginning. I know some people do 2 passes, but then I go back and I add in some curls after I trim my ends. I take bigger sections for the curls. And you're just going to take your flat irons. I gotta heat it back up. Alright, so now I'm gonna take and I'm just going to take it like this and bring it on down. And you can curl, you can swallow the lead. And you get a nice little curl like that. So this is what the curls look like when I'm done putting them all in. This is the back. So now what I'm gonna do is just run my fingers through my hair. And this is literally all I do, you guys. My silk press or whatever, my straightening my hair at home is done. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see if doing all of this gave me heat damage or not, which I don't think it did. Every single time I straighten my hair, I never get any heat damage, as y'all can see from what my fro looked like in the beginning of this video. That's literally all the heat I will put on my hair. I won't go back and touch up areas or whatever. If my hair starts reverting back, it's just time to end the style. So this style usually lasts me, it can, well, looking this good and fresh, it'll probably last me a couple of days. Maybe I can stretch it to a week, but then after that, it gets kind of flat and stiff, and yeah, so, you know, wrap it up at night and call it a day. And then, y'all know I had my postpartum shedding or whatever. I can put like some edge control on my edges right here, but I usually don't do that the first night that I straighten my hair. I'll probably do that this weekend when I go on a hot date with my husband. But for right now, this is all I'm gonna do. Just look at it, it's so bouncy. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss another video. Especially don't forget to subscribe so you can see if my hair reverts back. I hope this video was helpful, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.